Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error so when your touchscreen doesn't work, so how you can fix it on your iPhone. So for fixing it you just need to press on low volume button and power button, so it depends on model of iPhone you actually have. So just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to click to make force restart on your phone. So on my phone I need to press low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep pressing these two buttons until you will see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. So it means that you successfully made force restart. So mostly this method helps when your touchscreen doesn't respond. So just try. I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Click like and goodbye.